everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with a very quick video, but y'all wanted a reveal, so here it is, and that is of the Pop Mystery number 2. I think based off the clues, most of y'all got it. And I am so excited to show you the E.T. kit. I feel like E.T. is like one of the biggest, most cult classic movies of the 80s. It's just a really, really good one. And especially for like a sci-fi-esque type movie. Let's go ahead and flip on through this. I think this would be so fun for really any time, but I feel like it would also be really cute as like a kind of like fall Halloween transition. Be really fun. Can you imagine this in like September? I think it would be perfect, a perfect fit, but also kind of gives me June vibes, July vibes, kind of like summer just in general. I know I have mentioned in the past that I was going to be releasing an ET kit, especially because Hannah came out with the overlays for it, and a lot of people were like, oh no, the pop culture kits, is ET still coming? Y'all, here it is, and it is so perfect. I'm obsessed with it, and I cannot wait to lay it down. There's actually a lot of like half box scenes in this because there's just so many to choose from. So you have the 2 on the clip art area, and then you also have the 4 extra ones on the freebie. So I don't think we've done one like this before, but it just really worked out. And I love the colors of this. I love all of the details, especially this really rich navy. I just think it is very unique and beautiful. And I just love this box. I think it is so funny. I feel like as far as foil goes with this one, you could do silver, you could do matte bronze. I feel like a pumpkin would be really fun to bring out the oranges. You could do a navy to bring out the blues. You could choose a regular silver. You could do more of a gunmetal color, and there's just a lot of possibilities. You could even bring in, honestly, a green might be fun to bring in as well. So that is the ultimate kit. And this is no longer available. If you want to get your hands on it, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group. So then that is, we also had it in the mini, and then the add-on options was the functional, the doodle, the ombre, the label, and then the label 2, which is this really nice gray color. Even like kind of like a pewtery kind of color would be really pretty with this as well, or like a purpley gray if you had a foil. But that is everything for this video. Short, simple, sweet. I hope you like this one. I don't know what pop culture kit I'm gonna do next. I might switch it up completely and do something like completely different than this. We will see. I have a lot of options. I think I have like 12, 13, 14 pop culture kits left. So if you have anything that you think I might have that you want to see, let me know in the comments down below, because I have hinted at a lot of things that I have. There's one in particular that I think I want to get out soon that is quite different than this, and a different artist as well. All the pop culture art that I have left is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And that, my friends, is everything for this video, and I will talk to you in my next one.